on the horizon, silence in the land. The gates are broken open, blood upon the sand. They said the faithful faded, they said the fire died, but there's a remnant rising, we still stand and fight. We feel the tremble underfoot, the sound of heaven drawing near. We grip the sword, we will not run, we were born for this right here. Hold the line, the king is coming. Trim your flame, let the watchmen cry. We were made for the storm and the shaking. We'll be standing when the trumpets rise. We don't bow and we don't break, we burn like oil on the altar flame. Hold the line, the king is coming, and he knows every warrior's name. The world has sold its birthright, bent the knee for gold, but we were marked by fire, not bought, not sold. We've wept through every midnight, wept through every lie, but still we care.